Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the Google Chrome theme to make your browsing experience uniquely yours. Whether you want to jazz up your browser with a new look or just find a theme that fits your style, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, let's open Google Chrome. If you're not already on your desktop, go ahead and launch the browser by clicking on its icon. Once you open Chrome, you'll see a pencil icon with the text, Customize Chrome, on the right side of the dashboard. Click it. After clicking on Customize Chrome, you'll see a window where you can start customizing your theme. By default, Chrome comes with its standard theme, which you're probably seeing right now. Next, click on the Change Theme button. This will open up a variety of options for customizing your browser. The first option will let you remove themes. In the second option you'll see it allows you to upload an image from your computer or laptop to use as your new Chrome theme. If you have a specific picture you want to set as your background, this is where you can do it. The third option lets you apply a solid color as your theme. You can choose from a palette of colors or enter a hex code if you have a specific color in mind. The fourth option lets you choose a theme from Chrome's theme gallery. There are a variety of pre-designed themes available, and you can browse through them to find one that suits your taste. If you scroll down further, you'll see a section for the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store offers a wide range of themes and extensions to enhance your browsing experience. You can search for specific themes, explore popular ones, and even find extensions that add new features to your browser. And that's it. You now know how to customize your Google Chrome theme to make your browser truly yours. Whether you prefer a custom image, a solid color, or a theme from the gallery, Chrome makes it easy to personalize your browsing experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.